actually so excited. Hi, I'm Mara and I'm addicted to dyeing my hair. Nice to meet you. I literally just bleached my hair barely even a month ago and I'm back again dyeing it brown. I pretty much immediately regretted bleaching my hair immediately after I saw it, so I knew this time was coming. Honestly, in a month I might be bleaching my hair. Who knows? Subscribe if you want to find out. I don't know. I think that I like my hair better brown. I'm not really 100% sure. I was kind of torn between going like bleaching my hair more, but I just knew that would go wrong, or just like going brown again. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I do want to keep my hair relatively healthy and I want to grow it out eventually. I'm also dyeing my hair extensions because I tried kind of balayaging them when I bleached my own hair, but they just look like shit. My hair in the back looks horrible. The color looks horrible. They did not blend with the extensions. Blended in the front, not at all in the back. It literally looked like a train wreck in the back. So we're dyeing these two. Becoming a brunette queen today. So, also like, I don't know, lately I've just been like loving the look of like brunette people, women. Like, it's just there's something about a brunette, like they just look powerful. Blondes look gorgeous. Blonde is a great hair color and I loved being blonde, but I just feel like brunette hair is just like, it just looks powerful or something. Like, I don't even know. So I'm mixing two colors together. I have like super thick hair, so I usually have to like use two bottles anyways. I'm mixing 7N with 5N. 5 is too dark for what I want. 7's too light for what I want. And I didn't want to go buy more hair color. I had these on hand. 5 plus 7 equals 6. I nearly forgot to wear gloves. Usually I'm an anti-glover, but I don't know, like when you're dyeing your hair brown, you want to wear gloves. I didn't want my hands to be stained shit brown. So, gloves, okay? Also, I forgot to mention, I'm using a demi-permanent hair color. This bowl is way too freaking full. I'm not doing it permanent because I'll probably end up bleaching my hair in a month anyway, right? So if I put permanent on it, that'll just be far too damaging. Okay, it's fucking 5,000 years later. Let's go. I'm actually so excited. I'm more excited for this than I was when I bleached my hair a month ago, because I was really nervous to bleach my hair, honestly. But I'm excited to be brunette again. I just think it looks better on me. I don't know. If you know me, I used to always dye my hair black. Like black. In like high school, I do like black box dye. I'm hoping that this color is pretty close to my natural, but I'm still like putting it on my roots just in case. I just don't want it to be darker than my natural because I hate when like my root grows out lighter. Why am I not nervous at all for this? Like, is that a good sign or a bad sign? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I forgot to put a freaking lotion or something on my hairline. I always forget that. Does anyone else oh my god, I look so ugly right now. Why do I look like that? Anyways, I was gonna say, does anybody else honestly love the smell of hair dye? I've always loved that smell. Is that weird? Like, does that make me a psychopath or something like that? Like, I don't know. It just smells good. I love inhaling chemicals. Now the real question is, how the hell am I gonna do the back? Everybody skips that in their tutorials. How the hell am I gonna do the back? I think everywhere is covered. In all honesty, I didn't really touch the bottom layer because I didn't touch it with the bleach. I know it's bad, it's kind of lazy, but I don't care. And nobody sees that anyways. Nobody literally sees that part. I can't even really wear my hair up. So yeah, I'll get it done professionally one day. That day is clearly not today. So, frick, I don't even know how long I should leave this in for. Probably like half an hour. Don't remember. And I threw away the box. I'm gonna dye my extensions and then I'm gonna show you when I wash out my hair. Or maybe I'll just show you like tomorrow when I'm like all styled up. Put some makeup on for y'all. I don't even know how I like I went to do the back and like all the back pieces in the back were like covered. Like, I'm not even kidding. I don't even know how I did that. My hair is black. This is not what I wanted. I wanted light brown, not black. Like, what happened? I shouldn't have put in the level 5. I just should have done the 7. I really underestimated the porosity of my hair because my hair was like so fucked, so porous that it just like sucked up all the freaking color, and now it's way too freaking dark. It's not the worst color ever. I honestly don't hate the color. I do kind of like myself with dark hair. It's just that it's not what I wanted. I really gotta stop doing my hair by myself. I really gotta stop doing my own hair. I swear this is the last time. I also really hope that it will fade over time because it is demi-permanent, so hopefully it'll fade at least a little bit. Like, I wanted it to be close to my natural. This is way darker than my natural color. When am I gonna learn? So yeah, I don't know, this was kind of a fail. Luckily, like I said, I don't hate it. It's not that bad. It could have gone worse. It's just not, it just didn't go exactly how I wanted. But yeah, whatever. Let me know what you guys think. Like this video if you enjoyed my little hair transformation with me. And if you want to see me probably most likely bleach my hair in another month, make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful, a fantabulous day, and peace out.